Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ, another in the series. Well, running the Lionel 8410 General tonight, and just for a change of pace, I pulled out the passenger cars, and this actually doesn't look too bad behind that General. A bit large, I think, but it pulls it with no problem at all. Anyway, I've got it on the inside rail, running with the remote, of course. Now, as you see, this remote works quite well. It's really great to be able to control this train from any place in the room, or outside the room for that matter. So this works really, really well. I'm glad I took the time to experiment with this to get this thing working. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video of the 8410 pulling passenger cars. Like I said, they're a bit large for the locomotive, but it doesn't look bad. It runs well. It has no problem pulling this. It's really quiet and it's really smooth. That's the neat thing about this. As you see, it looks nice, it runs splendidly. So, in any case, just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.